What are you doing?
Going on a ride. Who are you?
I'm Safety Dave.
What's up, man?
Have you read Marine Corps Order 5100, TAC 19 Foxtrot?
Yes.
It doesn't look like it.
How you mean?
Look at your feet. How are you going to maintain positive control of the vehicle with those things?
I don't know.
You're not.
How'd you do that?
Not important. What about your legs? Like that, they're going to get spread across the ground like jelly. And your hands. There's a lot of bones in those.
Yeah, I mean, I guess. No, please!
What about your eyes?
I like them.
And your brain?
I use it.
Then protect them.
But I want to look cool.
You don't think I look cool? It doesn't matter anyway. What's important is that you're safe and complying with Marine Corps orders and regulations.
Yeah, I mean, you're probably right. What'd you say your name was?
I'm Motorcycle Joe.